Electrical panel enclosures are typically fire-rated to protect internal components during a fire. Common fire ratings are 1 IR, 2 IRs, and 3 IRs, based on the panel type and application. Panels often form part of a fire-rated assembly. This includes the panel enclosure, mounting hardware, and any additional components tested and approved as a fire-rated system. Panels can be installed in a fire-rated wall assembly. Installation must adhere to manufacturer guidelines and fire-rated assembly requirements to maintain the fire rating's integrity. When examining fire ratings of electrical panels, understand the principles behind these ratings and their significance in fire safety. Electrical fires can quickly spread, damaging property and endangering lives. Fire-rated enclosures are designed to contain fires within the panel and prevent them from spreading to surrounding areas. A fire-rated panel enclosure acts as a barrier, delaying the spread of flames and heat. The IOLI rating indicates the duration the enclosure can withstand fire conditions without failing. A 1 IR fire rating means the enclosure can resist fire for 1 IR, a 2 IR rating for 2 IRs, and so on. These ratings are determined through rigorous testing to ensure the enclosure meets specific performance criteria. Fire-rated assemblies are systems that combine multiple components to achieve a specific fire resistance rating. This includes a panel enclosure, mounting hardware, and any other elements necessary for installation. Testing a complete assembly is crucial to ensure all components work together to provide effective fire protection. The assembly's fire rating applies to the entire system, not just to individual components. To install panels and fire-rated walls, comply with manufacturer guidelines and the requirements of the fire-rated assembly. Proper installation is vital to maintaining the fire rating's integrity. Ensure the panel is mounted correctly and all necessary fire-stopping materials are used to seal any gaps or penetrations in the wall. Failure to follow these guidelines can compromise the fire rating and increase the risk of fire spread. Regulations and codes dictate the requirements for fire-rated electrical panels and assemblies. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides guidance on electrical installations, including fire safety. Local building codes may also have specific requirements for fire-rated electrical equipment. Compliance with these codes is essential to ensure safety and avoid violations. When selecting a fire-rated electrical panel, consider the specific application and requirements. Different types of panels have varying fire ratings to suit different environments. Factors like the size and type of electrical load, the presence of flammable materials, and the building's occupancy type influence the appropriate fire rating. Consulting with a qualified electrical engineer or fire protection specialist is recommended to determine the best panel for the application. The materials used in fire-rated enclosures play a crucial role in their performance. Steel, concrete, and other fire-resistant materials are commonly used in these enclosures. The thickness and composition of the materials determine the enclosure's ability to withstand fire conditions. Regular inspection and maintenance are essential for ensuring fire-rated electrical panels continue to provide adequate protection. Inspect panels for any signs of damage, corrosion, or deterioration. Replace any damaged components immediately. Regularly test fire-stopping materials to ensure they are still effective. Keep the area around the panel clear of combustible materials to reduce the risk of fire. Consider upgrades to existing electrical panels to improve their fire safety. Replacing older panels with newer, fire-rated models can significantly enhance fire protection. Adding fire-stopping materials to existing installations can also improve their fire resistance. Fire-rated electrical panels are a crucial component of fire safety in buildings. They protect electrical equipment and prevent the spread of fire. Properly installed and maintained fire-rated panels contribute to a safer environment for occupants and reduce the risk of property damage. Continuing education and training are essential for electrical professionals working with fire-rated electrical panels. Staying informed about the latest codes, regulations, and best practices ensures installations are safe and compliant. Participate in training programs and workshops to enhance knowledge and skills in fire safety. Maintaining the integrity of fire-rated walls involves several key considerations. Firstly, any penetrations through the wall must be properly sealed with fire-stopping materials. This includes penetrations for conduits, cables, and other electrical components. The fire-stopping material should be listed for use in fire-rated assemblies and installed according to the manufacturer's instructions. Secondly, the installation of electrical boxes and panels within the wall must not compromise the fire rating. This may require the use of specific types of boxes and panels that are designed for use in fire-rated walls. The boxes and panels should be installed in a manner that maintains the continuity of the fire-rated wall. Thirdly, any repairs or modifications to the fire-rated wall must be performed in accordance with the original fire-rated assembly. This includes using the same types of materials and installation methods as the original construction. Failure to properly maintain the fire-rated wall can compromise its ability to resist fire and allow fire to spread more quickly. The design and construction of fire-rated electrical panels are carefully engineered to provide maximum fire protection. The panels are typically constructed of heavy-gauge steel or other fire-resistant materials. The seams and joints of the panel are sealed to prevent the passage of flames and smoke. The panel doors are equipped with gaskets that create a tight seal when closed. The internal components of the panel are also designed to resist fire. Circuit breakers and other protective devices are often enclosed in fire-resistant housings. The wiring within a panel is typically insulated with high-temperature insulation. The panel is designed to vent heat and smoke in a controlled manner, which helps to prevent the panel from overheating and causing a fire. The fire rating of an electrical panel is determined by a standardized testing procedure. The panel is subjected to high-temperature fire for a specified period. The panel is then inspected to determine the extent of the damage. The fire rating is based on the amount of time the panel can withstand the fire without failing. The most common fire ratings for electrical panels are 1 hour, 2 hours, and 3 hours. The appropriate fire rating for a panel depends on the specific application. For example, a panel installed in a high-rise building may require a higher fire rating than a panel installed in a single-family home. The selection of appropriate fire-stopping materials is crucial for maintaining the fire rating of a wall assembly. Fire-stopping materials are designed to prevent the passage of flames and smoke through penetrations in the wall. These materials are typically made of intumescent materials, which expand when exposed to heat. This expansion fills the gap around the penetration and prevents the passage of fire. The fire-stopping materials should be listed for use in fire-rated assemblies and installed according to the manufacturer's instructions. The electrical codes and standards provide guidance on the installation and maintenance of fire-rated electrical panels and assemblies. The NEC contains requirements for the installation of electrical equipment in fire-rated walls and ceilings. These requirements are designed to ensure that the installation does not compromise the fire rating of the assembly. The electrical codes also contain requirements for the inspection and maintenance of electrical equipment. Regular inspections can help to identify potential fire hazards and ensure that the equipment is functioning properly. The role of third-party testing and certification in verifying fire ratings cannot be overstated. Organizations like Underwriters Laboratories, or and Intertek conduct rigorous testing to assess the fire resistance capabilities of electrical panels and assemblies. These tests simulate real-world fire conditions, ensuring that the products meet stringent safety standards. Certification from these organizations provides assurance that the products have been independently evaluated and meet the required fire rating standards. The significance of proper documentation and labeling for fire-rated electrical equipment is paramount for safety and compliance. Clear and accurate labeling on electrical panels and assemblies indicates their fire rating and other relevant information. This information is essential for installers, inspectors, and emergency responders to quickly identify the equipment's fire resistance capabilities. Proper documentation, including test reports and installation instructions, provides a comprehensive record of the product's fire rating performance and ensures that it is installed and maintained correctly. Fire-rated electrical panels are a critical component of a comprehensive fire protection system. They help to contain fires, protect electrical equipment, and prevent the spread of fire. By following the guidelines and requirements outlined in the electrical codes and standards, you can ensure that fire-rated electrical panels are installed and maintained properly. This will help to protect your property and the people inside from the dangers of fire. Firstly, understand the importance of using listed and labeled products. Secondly, follow manufacturer's instructions for installation and maintenance. Thirdly, ensure proper fire-stopping methods are employed. Fourthly, conduct regular inspections and maintenance. Fifthly, stay informed about code changes and updates. Sixthly, consider the specific application and environment. Seventhly, consult with qualified professionals. Eighthly, prioritize safety in all electrical work. Ninthly, promote fire safety awareness. Tenthly, invest in quality fire-rated equipment.